be made by His Highness Maharaj, the Chairman of Tripura Motha. May I call upon the Chairman of Tripura Motha to contribute to the meeting.
Good afternoon, friends. I want to make a small and short announcement. Tripura Motha is officially in presence of all our senior leaders, MDCs, also with Vijay Ramphalji, Manav, Vishwajit Kaloy, Guru Padda, Anthony, and all our young friends who have just joined in from Akisa, who have merged with us, and our youth leaders. We are happy to announce that from today onwards, we will have a youth frontal organization under the banner Youth Tripura Federation, YTF. This youth front will be not only in Agartala, but will be in every district of Tripura, will be in every block, village of Tripura. This is a youth organization. This will also be not only restricted to the state of Tripura, but will also have its units anywhere in India where there are Triprasas living. And this Youth Tripura Federation, YTF, according to me, will be the backbone of all our movements, be it of Greater Tripura land, be it of NRC, be it of Citizenship Amendment Act. It will also be the backbone for our next generation. So I am giving this organization my full commitment, my full support, and I believe that it is only with the youth that our future generation can be secure. At one time, there was a young man who took it upon himself to ensure that every Triprasa got education. That young man was jailed several times. He never gave up. And today, he is sitting right next to me. He started his movement by trying to educate the Triprasas. There was a time when there was this boy from Shillong who got inspired by the Triprasas, who was studying there, and started helping them. And today is the chairman of Tripura. We are standing in front of him. I believe that if you want to be successful, the motivation, the ideology has to happen when we are young. Our ideology is not to hate anyone. Our ideology is not to discriminate any community. Our ideology is not to be against any religion. Our ideology is for Greater Tripura land. And I believe that till the time we do not compromise on it, we will be successful. The day we dilute it for personal positions, we will no longer be acceptable to our people or to even ourselves. I am very happy to announce that the first president of YTF will be the MDC, Runil Devarma, and the working president is also here, Pitor Kayum. He will also be there along with the central executive body, along with general secretaries, along with all those who have remained loyal to us and all those who believe in our ideology. Many people may say that they may have been against us. How are you accepting them today? Let me tell this to all my supporters. Let me tell this to all my critics. Somebody may have criticized me. Pitor may have said something against me in social media. But at that time, he was a party member of another organization. And they were told to take a party position against me. But being a Gobagra, it is in my mentality, it is in my psychology to forget and forgive. And the ideology is bigger than even my own survival. So, it is very important for me to not only give people who have been close to me some chance, but to everyone. We have to give everyone opportunity. So I'm very happy that Pitor and his entire team have come and joined. They will be accommodated. They will be given respectable positions. And our commitment is for Greater Tipra land. If there is any questions that you want to ask, I'll be more than happy to answer them. I would also like to congratulate RNDC, Runil Debarma. I would like to congratulate Vishwajit Paloi. I would like to congratulate Guru Padma Debarma. I would like to congratulate Manav, Uma Shankar, who have also been a part of a student organization, who also belong to the youth IMPT, and now they have merged with us. Guru Padma, who was a former TSF president himself, was part of the Tipra State Party, has played a very important role. Vishwajit Paloi, who is a former TSF very eminent leader, who has been with us. I would like to thank Vijay Rampalji. He has taken his time out and come and been a part of this press conference. And everyone who is here, who is behind me, whether it is Lemon, whether it is Sajra, whether it is Rapon, whether it is Suraj, whether it is Athar, there are many other people I will not be able to mention their names here. Sukhendu, Saudagar. I would like to thank every one of them right now. I am happy to announce the opening of YTF, Youth Tipra Federation, which will be following and helping every youth, every student across the breadth and length of this country. Any questions? I'll be more than happy to answer.
Maharaj, what will be the motto of this youth federation?
The motto is don't compromise. The motto is be honest. The motto is be sincere to your people. Kuila jati, fulo ho jati.
I have two questions. We have been told that there are also a section of leaders from Janjati Mocha who are interested in the diversified economy.
I think that's incorrect. Nobody from Janjati Mocha has got in touch with me. Nobody from Janjati Mocha has said anything to that effect. So that thing is speculation. They may be in touch with someone who's at the party level, but nobody from the Janjati Mocha is in touch with me directly or indirectly.
Secondly, the women's front is yet to be announced by the
The women's front will be announced in the next 3 to 4 days. We've had the Buma Badal, we've had the Purumi Badal, and we want our women's organization to be as strong as a youth organization, if not more. Because again, we need the support of the women and the youth to carry our movement ahead. As long as we are with them, we will be strong. The day we start accommodating only those who are established leaders and don't give priority to the women and to the youth, are countdown to extinction movement.
One last question that I have to ask. We have seen that there are many indigenous parties, but in not a single party we have seen the indigenous Bengali people being included in any of the parties. Will your party welcome any person?
We've got Mundas now in our organization. In fact, in the list, Mundas are coming in. You may say that many parties have indigenous people. Many parties do not even have indigenous communities beyond 1 or 2. In our party, we have space for Rangpal, Rangpalji is of course there. We have Monstom, we have Taipangs, we have Utjois, we have of course Riam. We have got people from Chakma community, from the Mok community. We have leaders from across all the 19 Garos, all the 19 communities. We have accommodated them, and we will also, anyone who agrees to a core demand of Greater Tipra land, anyone who agrees to oppose along with us in the Citizenship Amendment Act, they will be obviously welcome for a dialogue and for space.
if any other youth federation wants to come to join, so what will be the
अगर किसी को आना है तो आइए। पितौर जब आया है तो मुझे सब पूरा टीम आया था, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि पितौर इलेक्शन के बाद आया था। ये गलत बात है, इलेक्शन के पहले ही मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट हो गया। लेकिन कोई भी आएगा मैं ऐसा लूँगा नहीं, हमारा आइडियोलॉजी में उनको अग्री करना पड़ेगा और हमारा आइडियोलॉजी है यूथ एजुकेशन।
सर ऐसे में कोविड सिचुएशन चल रहा है, सर आपकी क्या प्रायोरिटी रहेगा इस
देखिए कोविड सिचुएशन में हम जो कर रहे हैं अपनी तरफ से कर रहे हैं। आप लोग को शायद मालूम नहीं होगा या मालूम भी हो सकता है, कल से हमने रोज़ 150 पैक फूड हम सबको दे रहे हैं। हम नहीं पूछ रहे कि कौन तिफरासा है, कौन बंगाली है, कौन क्रिश्चियन है, कौन मुस्लिम है, कौन हिंदू है, कौन बुद्धिस्ट है, हम सबको हेल्प कर रहे हैं। कल आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे यूथ मेंबर्स ने अगरतला में भी जो रात में जिनके पास घर नहीं है, जो रास्ते में सोते हैं, जो गरीब हैं, हमने उनको भी हेल्प किया। हम जानते हैं कि कोरोना के टाइम कोई जाति धर्म लेकर राजनीति नहीं होना चाहिए, हम नहीं करेंगे भी। दूसरा बात है कि ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर्स शायद कल सवेरे पहुंच जाएगा और हमें 70 ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर्स हमने अपने थ्रू ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। हम हॉस्पिटल जो कुमुलुम हॉस्पिटल है उसको अपग्रेड कर रहे हैं, एक्सरे मशीन ला रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन प्लांट वहाँ में होगा। मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात हुआ था, शायद आने वाले दिन में वो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर प्लांट कुमुलुम हॉस्पिटल के कैंपस के अंदर ही वो उसका वो फाउंडेशन स्टोन लगाएंगे। तो मेरा पॉइंट है कि हेल्थ ऐसा है कि कल अगर कोई बीमार हो तो हम डॉक्टर का पूछते नहीं कि आप तिफरासा हो या बंगाली हो या मणिपुरी हो, हम देखते हैं कि वो डॉक्टर है। कोविड सबको लग सकता है और कोविड के समय मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई पार्टी को पॉलिटिक्स करना चाहिए जहाँ में हम बोलेंगे कि कोविड एक धर्म ने फैलाया है, ईद के समय इसने फैलाया, कुंभ के समय इसने फैलाया, ये उचित नहीं है और ये ठीक बात नहीं।
कोविड के अलावा भी ऐसी कोई जगह है जहाँ पर मलेरिया का अटैक होता है, उस जगह को आपने चिन्हित किया और क्या
हमने कर लिया है और एक प्रायोरिटी रहेगा स्पेशली ढलाई एरिया, स्पेशली नॉर्थ त्रिपुरा में और पार्ट्स ऑफ कॉर्बुक एरिया की तरफ, जहाँ में नॉट ओनली मलेरिया मेनिंजाइटिस भी एक इशू है, वहाँ में भी हम लोग हमारे वर्कर्स जाके काम करें। ये देखिए हर एस्पेक्ट होता है। कल परसों बैंगलोर से 20 लोगों का, चंडीगढ़ से 20 लोगों को टिकट काट कर हमने यहाँ लाया। हमने नहीं पूछा कि उन्होंने हमें वोट किया है कि, हमने ये भी नहीं पूछा कि आपने वोट किया है कि। जब समाज को, जब अपने दोफा को आपको से सर्व करना है तो आप नहीं पूछते कि आप मेरे साथ हो या उसके साथ। हेल्थ एजुकेशन ये एक ऐसा चीज़ है जिसमें हमें एक होकर ही काम करना है। और आप देखेंगे YTF को मैं इतना पावर दूंगा कि उनका खुद के पास आइडेंटिटी कार्ड होगा, उनके खुद के पास एक अलग सा फ्लैग होगा और उनके पास मूवमेंट के लिए भी सेपरेट फंड्स होगा। मुझे लगता है कि जब तक मैं यूथ फ्रंटल को इतना पावरफुल नहीं बनाऊं, क्योंकि एक बात और भी है, YTF का 2 मेंबर परमानेंट इनवाइटीज होगा इन आ सेंट्रल वर्किंग कमेटी। इतना पावर बहुत कम लोगों को दिया जाता है, हमने दिया है यूथ को, क्योंकि आज के दिन 65 to 70% ऑफ त्रिपुरा इज बिलो द एज ऑफ 35 और हमने एक एज सीलिंग भी रखा है कि कोई भी 40 को पार करेगा, दे विल नो लॉन्गर बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दे विल कम इन द सीनियर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो यूथ को हमेशा यूथ रखकर वो 50 का हो जाए उसको यूथ बना के रखें, ये हमारा गोल नहीं है। हम चाहते हैं कि यूथ को सामने रखें और यूथ का ही आप देखेंगे आज हमारे पास जो MDCs है, रुनेल हो, उमा हो, देवजीत हो, सौदागर हो, राजेश हो, सुहेल हो, ये सब 30, 31, कोई मे बी 35, 36, उमा और मेरा एक ही एज है। तो कोई ज़्यादा हमने एज हमारा सबसे यंगेस्ट यूथ ग्रुप रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग जानते हैं कि आज के दिन टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आज के दिन सोशल मीडिया बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आज के दिन दुनिया बदल रहा है और अगर हमने यूथ को एक प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दिया तो ये कभी कोई भी संगठन भी ठीक नहीं होगा। जो दूसरे पार्टीज हैं जैसे CPM है, उन्होंने यूथ को आज तक मौका नहीं दिया। अगर कांग्रेस को देखेंगे तो आज भी यूथ का बहुत कम वो है, इन्फ्लुएंस है। तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ये ठीक बात है। मुझे लगता है कि यूथ को और विमेन को हमको 100% सामने रख के ही काम करना है। और तीव्र न्याय के इशू के लिए देते हैं। लास्ट क्वेश्चन? Any last question? No? All satisfied? I am very happy to formally announce the launch of YTF Youth Tipra Federation officially. Belai Mahambai, Dhanyavad, thank you, Kunu.